In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track pipeline health in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Pipedrive. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar menu where you'll find the option for Insights. Go ahead and click on that. The Insights section is a fantastic way to visually interpret your pipeline and assess how your deals are performing. Once you're in the Insights area, you'll see a button at the top left of your screen labeled Create. Click on that and select Report from the drop-down menu. This is where the magic happens, and you'll start seeing some meaningful data regarding your pipeline health. Now, it's time to set your parameters. You want to ensure that you're focusing on the deals, so set your data entity to Deal. After that, be sure to choose Conversion as the report type. Choosing Conversion allows you to evaluate how well your leads are moving through the pipeline. Next comes an important step, applying filters. You want to make sure your data is relevant, so you need to select a review date range that suits your needs. You can choose options like this week, this month, or even last quarter to get various perspectives on performance. This flexibility allows you to monitor trends over time or drill down into more immediate performance metrics. In terms of deal status, it's crucial to include not just the deals that are currently open, but also those that were won and lost. By incorporating all these statuses, you get a complete overview of performance. It's like viewing the entire picture rather than just a slice. So moving on to the next step, we need to set the measure. You want to adjust the calculation measure to focus specifically on the number of deals. This focus helps you concentrate on deal volume and the movement of conversions through your pipeline. It's fantastic data that shows you how many deals are entering versus how many are exiting at different stages. Once you've adjusted that setting, it's time to take a look at what your report generates. At this stage, you'll be presented with a funnel graph that illustrates your pipeline's health. Take a moment to review it closely. Look for any sudden drops or imbalances. These can be indicators of potential issues or areas to focus your attention on for improvement. After you've analyzed the information and you're happy with how it looks, the final step is to save your report. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a Save button. Click that and then give it a meaningful name. Something straightforward like Pipeline Health works well, as it will help you easily identify it later. And there you have it. You're now equipped to track your pipeline health in Pipedrive effectively. Remember, monitoring your pipeline is essential for maintaining sales momentum and ensuring you're staying on top of your deals.